Tonight, the town of Paradise will consider sending a letter to the U.S. Bankruptcy Court and to PG&E saying that because of the utility's bankruptcy, campfire victims only received 70% of what they're due. And that since PG&E has reported record profits for several years, PG&E and the Bankruptcy Court must ensure victims are paid in full. Well, Action News Now reporter Bella Barbosa joins us now live in Paradise with the details of this developing story. And Bella, the mayor is bringing this up at tonight's town council meeting.
Yes, Alan, the town put this item on the agenda after one Paradise resident asked for them to send a letter at the last two town council meetings. Ken Klassen has been living in Paradise for over 6 decades. He says his love for the town has motivated him to advocate for support from local and state governments. He says he's doing this because he wants to fight for what's right.
PG&E has the ability, and I think it's morally correct for them to exercise that ability under the bankruptcy laws to voluntarily pay the 30%. It does not have to go back through bankruptcy, and I think it'd be ridiculous for them to add money to the bankruptcy. Who's going to pay the administrative costs again? It's going to get destroyed. I think PG&E just needs to step up and pay the voluntary amount that they owe.
Klassen says the Butte County Board of Supervisors sent a similar letter at the end of October. I asked Klassen why he feels it's important to get these letters of support. He says because campfire victims already lost everything and still had to pay legal fees to be represented in the Fire Victim Trust. He says he feels the 70% that the Fire Victim Trust has paid out to campfire victims is really less than that due to those legal fees. Also tonight, the council will be going over updates on the sewer project as well as other campfire recovery efforts. We'll bring you more on that tonight on Action News Now at 11. Reporting live in Paradise, Bella Barbosa, Action News Now.
Thanks for that, Bella. Both the Board of Supervisors letter and the one on the Town of Paradise agenda tonight, were addressed to PG&E's CEO, as well as Judge Mentali, who's the federal judge in the U.S. Bankruptcy Court for Northern District of California. We also reached out to PG&E for comment, and spokesperson Paul Moreno told us in part PG&E did not have a role in selecting the trustee or administrator and does not have a role in reviewing claims or making payments to fire victims from the Fire Victim Trust. You can find the full statement on our website, actionnewsnow.com.